All right, so we recently added functions that allow to modify the chart time frame programmatically from Python using crchartpy. So currently what I have open here is a 30-minute intraday chart in crcharts. And I'm going to demonstrate how I can use set intraday bar period parameters to modify this chart time frame. Now, we generally added two functions. One is called set intraday bar period parameters, and the other one is called set historical bar period parameters. These two functions follow the work of crchart's underlying function. This is an Excel function called set bar period parameters. This specific function has, first of all, one parameter tells it if you're going to modify it to a daily or an intraday chart. In our case, it's separated into two functions. So if you're calling this, it assumes that we chose intraday. If you're calling the historical one, it assumes we choose daily data. And then down here, there's the different parameters. So if you chose historical, you have the bar period type, which can be day, week, month, quarterly, or yearly. And if you chose the intraday version, this one, then you have these different bar types, right? We have your minutes and seconds, and volume, and number of trades, and so on. And these generally run in parallel to these different options here for the bar period type under the chart settings. Now, let's see how we can use, this is currently a 30-minute chart. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into IPython, and I'm going to modify this 30-minute to a different time frame programmatically. So let's get our imports. And let's create the bridge. Now, paste that. So here on this chart, I have the CRChart DX study set with a key of A, which is why I'm using the key A here. And bar period type 0 changes it to a, a minute time frame bar, like a minute, second, hour. It's this one basically. This one. And 300 is 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes. So if I press enter, I can expect I see this changes to a 5-minute bar, right? If I want to change it back, let's say I change it to a 1-minute bar, okay, 60 seconds, goes like that. Or 600 will give us a 10-minute bar, and so on. All right? Okay. So I can also change it. Let's say I want to change it to a range bar. Okay, like a 20 tick range bar. So I set the bar type to 3. Change the bar type to 3. Parameter 1, let's set it to 20. Let's see. Parameter 1, the first parameter of the bar period to used. In the case of flags, Rainco, it's the bar size and ticks. Okay, so I think this is going to be the bar size and ticks. Yeah, let's see if that works. Okay, so this changed into a 5.20 tick range bar, and so on. So in this way, I can change the bar period to wherever I want based on the settings from CRChart's documentation.